Hey guys, Marissa here from the Sunny Nest Decor. Today we are going to be doing a full Glowforge unboxing and setup as well as showing you how to make your first cut on your new Glowforge. Don't have a Glowforge yet? Our referral code in the description can save you up to $500 off your Glowforge purchase. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe and follow us on Instagram for more tutorials and daily inspiration. Your Glowforge will ship in 2 boxes, but whatever you do, do not throw this large box away and any of the packing materials inside. Should you have to send your Glowforge back, it must go back in the original packaging, so store this box somewhere safe. This is your accessory box that comes with your Glowforge. So this piece on top is your crumb tray, so you're going to go ahead and take that out. We'll set that aside for right now. There you have your power cord, show you guys how to install that, and also your vent as well. This is called proof grade material. This is material that you can buy directly from Glowforge. You'll still see these little QR codes on every piece, so that way it get into your Glowforge, it will scan that QR code, and they've already generated settings that work perfectly for all of their proof grade materials. Okay, so here you have a piece of medium walnut hardwood. So you can see all these pieces have masking tape on the front and the back. Before you cut, you'll leave it on so it protects the material, but this just peels up and you can see what it actually looks like. This is medium natural leather. This comes out really awesome. You can do so many different things with this, hat patches, keychains, all sorts of stuff. You also have a piece of medium basswood plywood, so this is a more natural looking material. Give you 3 pieces of medium clear acrylic. Have 6 pieces of medium draft board. This is one of my favorites to use directly from Glowforge. It gives you a nice clean look. It's very similar to an MDF type of product. Okay, so this is what your inside looks like. So first you are going to get this piece of tape off right here. This holds your ribbon cable on. I'll show you what to do with that in a minute. Slide that right back in there. This is your front door. So you're gonna pop this down and it'll make it easy to get this piece of foam out. Just carefully slide that out of there. You wanna make sure that you keep that piece of foam as well. Keeps the laser head, or the carriage plate in place. So you're gonna pop that off. That's gonna come off and look just like that. Save this as well. Then next here you have these pins that just unscrew to hold the laser tube in place. So then we're gonna go ahead and slide this forward. So you can see these little track stoppers right here. So if you just carefully lift this up and over, you can pull them out. Slide that all the way forward. Okay, so then next you're gonna take out this. So first you just wanna pull the top off really carefully because this piece of styrofoam has your laser head inside. Also in here, they give you a lens wipe. You have this tool. So one side says remove, one side says install. This is to take out the the lens that's inside of the laser head. So when you pull your laser head out, it's gonna have this little orange thing right in the bottom there. Go ahead and pull that out. And then in there, you can see where the lens is. You also have a lens there, and that's that. So next, we're going to go ahead and attach this. So you'll take out your ribbon clip or ribbon wire, snap that in right there, tuck that in. And this has magnets on the bottom and on the carriage plate. So you're just gonna snap that right into place and you'll feel it go on like that. So it'll hold it down with the magnets, and then you wanna just slide that all the way over. And then once you take this other piece of foam out, you'll go ahead and push this all the way back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the crumb tray in. So in the bottom of your Glowforge, before you put the crumb tray in, you'll see little grooves. This will set right into that. So you should just shift it around just a little bit until you feel it kind of pop into place. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and close that front door and it should pop in, and then you can close your lid. Okay, so once you have your vent hooked up, you will either be venting it out a window, or if you purchase the compact filter from Glowforge directly, you can vent it through that. I already have my Glowforge Pro venting out the window, so I will show you guys that setup. Once you have plugged in your Glowforge to an outlet, go ahead and turn it on using the switch in the back. You will hear a bubbling noise and some movement, which is completely normal. Continue through that until the light turns teal, and then hit continue on your computer screen. Once the screen pops up, give it a minute to broadcast the temporary Glowforge access point, and then go to your Wi-Fi settings on your computer. Select the temporary Glowforge Wi-Fi, then once it tells you your Glowforge is connected to your computer, you can switch to your regular Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi doesn't pop up automatically, hit the refresh list to search it. Once connected, you will switch to this screen. From here, you will name your Glowforge and log in using your email address. Once you hit Save Changes, it will take you to the project's dashboard page. Here is where you will upload all of your designs from whatever software program you are using. If you scroll down, Glowforge has preloaded some designs for you to cut and practice with. We are going to cut the gift of good measure first so that we can make sure your machine is functioning properly. Select it so it opens the file up and it will bring you to this screen. Go ahead and insert one piece of medium draft board material. Make sure the QR code is in the bottom right corner, facing up. Close your lid and let your Glowforge scan it. Drag your design up to the top of the screen. Double check your settings on the left toolbar. You can manually click where it says medium draft board to switch to different materials. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit print, and once the light from the button on your machine starts flashing, you will press that button. Your Glowforge will tell you when your project is done and when it's safe to open the lid. Once it's ready, go ahead and open it up and take out your first cut. You can remove it from the crumb tray and peel off the masking tape after. Just like that, it's done and you've cut your first Glowforge piece. Thank you all so much for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks, and follow us on Instagram at the Sunny Nest Decor for daily inspiration.